Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Lena. I'm doing videos related to luxury, lifestyle and travel. In today's video, I will share with you my gifts for 13th wedding anniversary, which was last month. If you already watched my previous video, the shopping vlog at Hermes last week, then you knew that I got something at the store. If you haven't watched it, then I have the link above. You can check it out after this video. I'm very excited to reveal with you. I love to share my happiness with you, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna open the biggest box first because I'm sure you love to see what is inside. Okay. So let's get started. Of course, I already saw it at the store, but I'm still very excited to open at home and share it with you. This is my second time looking at it, but still very excited. Look at this big orange box. It has a very iconic brown color ribbon. Okay, here's the look inside. In previous video, many of you guessed that I may get a Lindy or a Kelly. So let's see who gets it right. Okay, I'm gonna show you what's inside the box first. It has a pillow for the back to rest on, and it has a rain protection, 2 of them in here. It also comes with a booklet, how to care for the bag. It comes with the label, has the name and the price for the bag. Okay, let me put this on the side and show you what I got. Okay, so here it is, a Hermes desk bag. Can you tell what it is? Okay, it is not my first bag, but every time I could get a bag from Hermes, I'm super excited, and I'm sure everyone is the same, because this is not easy to get a bag at Hermes, right? So everyone would be excited and happy, right? Okay, let's review. Can you already tell? Of course, right? It is one handle. And yes, it is Kelly bag. Look at the color. How you think? Wow. Very bright, very vibrant. Okay. This is Kelly in size 28. It has gold hardware with one handle. It is in Sally Air style, which is more structured, and it has 4 feet in the bottom to protect the leather in the bottom here. It has very simple design, very classic. This Kelly bag is in lamb color, which is a seasonal color of this year collection, the spring and summer collection of 2020. I love it. I love bright colors. I know this is not a cup of tea for everyone, but for me, because I love bright colors, so this is perfect. Look at this. How cute. Okay, so now let me open and show you the inside. With the Sally Air style, it is a little harder to open because it is more stiff. Okay. This is my first bag in Sally Air style. So let's see how I like it. Yeah, it is more stiff. All right, this is It has one zip pocket on one side and two slip pocket on the other side. It also comes with the strap and the clochette. Okay. So this is a strap, and this is a clochette. Has one lock with two keys. Okay. Let me show you a close look of it. It has one handle with two D-rings, so we can attach the strap to it to wear as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. It has hot stamp with Hermes on here in gold to match the gold tone hardware. It has two belts. And let's take a look inside here. It has one zipper pocket and two slip pockets on the opposite side. Very large compartment. It has the date code on here, which tells you what year this bag is made. If I use this bag, I would close it like this and leave the belts out like that. It is new, and because it is Epsom leather, so it is more stiff. The belts are still up here, but when it is more relaxed, then you can see more of the belts hanging. Now let's get the second box. Okay, so I'm sure you can guess what I got in here. Here it is. You can already tell, right? It comes with two dust bags. So let's take a look at it. Oh, look at this cutie. Oh, very bright pink. It is in rose fuchsia. This is Oasis sandals. It is my first pair of sandals from Hermes. I know that everyone loves the orange sandal, but for me, I chose the Oasis sandals over the orange because it has a little heel right here to support my height. I'm very petite, so this is better for me. And also, I chose this color because I have the BIRKIN in Rose Extreme, so this color would match my bag perfectly. Other colors, they just have brown heels right here, but I love the whole sandal in pink like this. The strap right here is in suede material, very soft, velvety, luxurious feeling. Love it. I was so in love with this color when I saw it at Hermes website. So I had to ask my SA to order my size to store so I can try them on. I had my Legend sandals in size 36.5, and so this Oasis sandals, it fits me perfectly and so comfortable walking in it, even though it has a little heel. I'm sure it will be okay for a long walk around the mall. I can't wait to wear this Oasis sandals out. And I may get other colors too. They just look so lovely, even with dress or jeans or shorts. Love it. Okay, so I'm super excited. Look at this. Okay, the wrapping is still here, so as I just took it out. Look at this. much. And also this beautiful. Look how bright it is. And this one, lime color in Cellier, size 28 with gold hardware and some leather. Beautiful. And the last one is a fashion jewelry from Hermes. Let me unbox it and show you what I got here. This is actually for my husband, not for me, but I just want to share it with you. This is a pendant. Let's take a close look of it. It is in black with silver hardware. It is easier to see with the orange background. It is very simple. It's just the letter H. I got this pendant for my husband because I also have this in black and rose gold. Also the earring in black and rose gold to match my necklace. This necklace is very short. Can you see this necklace right here? It is longer and thicker, so it would be better with this pendant for him. I love to wear matching stuff with him, like shirts or shoes, and I usually match a color for the whole family. I love doing that. I just want to share with you what I got for him before. This is from Men's Session in black and brushed gold to match my click-clack in shiny black and shiny gold. Yes, I love matching like this. I almost forget to show you another bag, a very small bag that I got from Hermes. Okay, so my SA gave me this bag with the catalog on scarves and tulies. I love this. I used to get it shipped to my house every year. I think twice a year, spring and summer, and another one in fall and winter. But this year I didn't get it. So I asked my SA and he gave me this one. I kept them all because this booklet has beautiful pictures with scarf and tulies that the model has, wear them with different style. Yeah, so I love this one. I always keep it. And it has the receipt here that I'm gonna share with you. And there are some perfume samples that my SA always put in this bag for me. Okay, so the price of this handbag Kelly 2 Cellier 28 Epsom cowskin lime color. It is 10,700 before tax. And this is Oasis in gold suede rose fuchsia color. It is $730. And this palladium plated pendant in Noir color. It is $395. These prices are before tax, so depends on where you live, then you get tax. Okay. And this is all I got from Hermes store last time I visited. Hermes has beautiful colors, and I plan to collect bright colors to make my rainbow collection. So far, I have 3 bright color bags, which I love so much, especially the seasonal colors, which may not come back every year. There is a story behind this Kelly bag. If you are interested, let me know in the comment section below. Then I'll make a separate video to talk about what I got offered and how why I decided on this bag, and also how I got my first Hermes bag from the store. So let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions or if you would like me to do a separate video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye bye.